Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made this giant Lego head piñata with two faces, all using recycled materials. It's creative, sturdy, and perfect for parties. Let's get started. Step 1. Building the base. I started with a thick square cardboard box. I wet it with enough water and rolled it up, and I let it dry to make it easier to shape, then taped it into a cylinder. Don't worry if there are gaps or corners. We'll cover those later. Step 2. Patching and reinforcing. To close the gaps, I used pieces from cereal boxes and taped them in place. Then, I covered the entire structure with homemade paper mache glue and recycled paper like notebook sheets or old prints. This makes the base stronger and ready for decorating. Step 3. Lego head details. I added 2 cardboard pieces to create the top and bottom connectors of the Lego head. I also covered the entire structure with paper using the glue to unify the color and make sure everything stayed in place. Step 4. Painting. I painted the head yellow so that any small gaps between the tissue paper wouldn't be visible. Step 5. Decorating. I glued yellow cardstock in the 2 areas where the faces would go. After placing the cardstock, I made holes for the hanging string. Then I decorated with yellow tissue paper squares, folded into cone shapes, and glued only in the center with hot glue for a fluffy look. I covered all areas without cardstock: the sides, the top, the bottom, and the full circumference. Step 6. Preparing the faces. One face I drew and painted on paper with acrylic paint before gluing, and the other face I drew and painted directly on the yellow cardboard paper. Step 7. I tied the string securely and made sure the piñata was well balanced. And here's the final result: a 100% homemade Lego head piñata made with recycled materials. Perfect for any party and totally customizable.